We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2017 HMT Advantage Plus Laminator. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This HMT Advantage Plus can laminate flat sheets or roll stock up to 61 inches wide, including high gloss laminates. It can be used for laminating various types of materials together, like laminates, aluminum, carpet, fabric, foam, MDF, particle board, acoustic insulation, sponge, polyethylene, and more using a hot melt film, heat, and pressure. Your substrate or material you wish to bond to runs on top of the orange rollers. Up top, you place the material you want to bond to this substrate. Below the rollers is a 500-foot roll of hot melt film. You basically pull the hot melt film that comes from below over the top of your substrate, using the optional hut knife adhesive cutter to trim the adhesive to length. The panel is then fed through an infrared heat bank that activates the glue, after which the glued substrate meets the material you wish to bond on top of at a pinch roller. A chrome-plated top roller makes cleaning easy, while the bottom roller is made of firm rubber. This particular machine also has the optional infeed and outfeed rollers, which support your material through the entire process. It's that simple. Film rolls are 500 feet long, and this system is designed for a single operator. The hot melt rolls require no solvents, are made from renewable energy, and produce less waste than other types of wet adhesives. This machine also operates off of single-phase 220 volt power.